Welcome to the series of videos on surface productivity tools for AutoCAD Civil 3D. In this video, we'll demonstrate extract surface contours. Oftentimes when I'm working with ponds or landfill liners, I have to extract contours, and those contours could be used for a number of things. In my landfill liners, I often will extract a contour to act as partial boundary for another surface that I'm grading that needs to be at a specific elevation. In ponds, I'm often extracting a contour at a specific water elevation to show in my plans. And the current methods in Civil 3D aren't exactly flexible enough to get the contour that I want. Oftentimes my contours are at odd intervals compared to my shown contours, and the extraction tools in Civil 3D don't allow us to just pick an elevation and extract it. And so this extract contours tool gives us that ability to quickly provide those extractions from multiple surfaces at one time. So they would show up over here. Also over in the right, notice that we do have the minimum elevation and the maximum elevation of the surface listed. I put this into the program as well because oftentimes I'm trying to extract contours and I'm like, oh, what was the min, what was the max, what's my range, and trying to remember that. So this is helpful just when you're listing out which contours you want to extract. And so we have multiple ways of extracting contours here. We have by specific elevation, interval with max. And so for elevation, we can just say what our elevation is here. And so we could say, I want 705.63, and I'm going to add that over here. And so I can add multiple elevations all at one time. I need 710.82 and add that over here. And that was supposed to be 710. I'll go ahead and do that here. This one was a mistake, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And then if I want to do interval with a max, I could also add those in here, and I could say start at say 710, and I want you to go up to say 850, and I want every 25.37 feet perhaps, and I can add, and those will all add at those intervals there that I've specified. And so that's kind of how the tool works, is to build this all out in this fashion here, and then we would go down and select our current layer or select a layer that you want all these to go on. And so I'm going to say 3D line, pick my landfill surface, or I could pick a multitude of surfaces, and then I would hit extract. And now I've got line work in my drawing that represents all those contours for me.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other apps on the Autodesk Exchange Store.